Computers and calculators are useful tools in surfing the web and computing calculations. But have you ever wondered what the driving force is behind complex apps, web pages, and analyzing scientific data? Well, the answer to these questions are quite simple. According to a journal article about web programming languages by Ayman Ode in 2019, programming languages such as Java and Python are capable of affecting data and affecting web app development in the internet marketplace. So today, I will inform you about the brief history of the Python programming language, its scientific capabilities in data analysis, and its capabilities as a mathematical app developer. So first, what is Python and who created it? Well, according to the 2017 textbook edition of Starting Out with Python by Tony Gaddis, states that the Python language was created by Guido van Rossum in 1991 as a multiple-purpose language that could be used to write code that runs apps such as Microsoft Word and Instagram that we use on a daily basis. It has a specific typing discipline that is based on the English Standard Language and phrases and primarily depends on easy-to-learn keywords and symbols, which is more simplified than other popular programming languages at the time, such as C and Java, which had complex syntax rules. A 2014 Keene State College Journal article about computer language analysis by Stephen Humer and Elvis Foster states that Java and C++ are programming languages that rely on a strict declaration of variables, while Python classifies them as a simple object rather than constricting it to a specific data type. Python is so easy to use, it is recommended as a language to be used by beginners in transitioning to other complex languages. Python handles many common errors and exceptions, so other errors in other languages are bypassed by Python, and the written program will still run no matter how many errors there are in the program. Now, we know more about Python, so let's see its scientific capabilities. What are some scientific applications of the Python language? In 2014, the article of Python for Scientific Computing by Vladimir Daglopolovas states that Python can be used to store statistical data into storage databases called arrays, which are iterable using loops to perform further computational numerical analysis, such as calculating mean, median, mode, range, standard deviation, and other common distribution types. The language can also be used to write code that plots numerical data and displays them in the forms of bar charts, T-charts, pie charts, two-dimensional graphs, and three-dimensional graphs as well. In addition, according to a journal article by Joachim Schmidt in 2019 regarding Python package modeling, Python code can be organized into modular packages called libraries, which can be universally used in other Python programs, even if both programs were written separately by two different authors. In this example, Schmidt claimed that he used a personal Python package to analyze the microscopy of fluorescent bacteria, which computed an incredibly accurate estimate by using single molecule localization microscopy, or SMLM for short, in data in cellular coordinates. Finally, after seeing its scientific potential, let's look at the mathematical applications of Python code. Python code can perform mathematical calculations. A 2019 journal article about tissue modeling by Julius Zimmerman states that Python interfaces can be used to formulate and calculate the growth of human tissue. These calculations are able to detect infection sites and observe regional growth. And according to a 2018 research report about mathematical metabolism modeling by Robert Smith, states that Python code in pharmaceutical research can allow researchers to construct 80% of reaction rates with 80% accuracy, which is pretty darn accurate if you ask me. Due to its computational abilities, the written programs can use parametric optimization without having problems with natural language constraints. So, in conclusion, we have discovered the creation of Python, observed its scientific capabilities, and visualized the mathematical modeling of natural systems of the world that we live in using a simple elementary language. With these powerful foundations of data science in mind, we now know the power and versatility of one powerful snake.